Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of Starbucks Cinnamon Coffee Cake. So, this is what it looks like here, all warmed up. Smells delicious, like cinnamon and all that good stuff. And in one of these, it has 330 calories, 15 grams of fat, 43 grams of carbohydrates with 19 sugar, and 4 grams of protein. So it's a nice, cakey, not that healthy, but delicious treat. That texture is so good. But I'm gonna get right into this because it smells delicious. Never had one of these before. Wow. That's really like a cinnamon bun or a cinnamon roll, but way better. The texture, really good. The top part's like kind of crumbly, texturized like cinnamon, and then it's cake with some type of maybe cinnamon or coffee icing. I'm not sure. It tastes amazing though, and it looks amazing. I love cinnamon foods and cinnamon treats and all that. And I'm actually very surprised that I've never had one of these before, because this is just like a cinnamon roll, but better. It's kind of cakey, but it's not like the same cake consistency you'd get from a normal cake. It's very soft, warm, and it feels like a pastry treat that you'd want to drink or eat while you're having a drink of coffee. So it's perfect for getting a drink of coffee, which is exactly what Starbucks sells. So it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'll have one more bite of this here and I'll give my final review. I am loving the texture of this here. Like if you look at it, they crunchy on top and then nice and soft on the bottom. It's so good. So good. So I'd give the Starbucks Cinnamon Coffee Cake an 8 to an 8.5 out of 10. As far as cake goes, this is like the best cake I've ever had. I'm not a huge fan of cake, but I like this. So if you find that you're not a huge fan of cake flavored or cake in general, you might actually like this, because this is more akin to like a cinnamon roll than it is an actual cake. Although it says cake in the title, it doesn't taste like cake. It's just like soft cinnamon roll. So yeah, if you like cinnamon rolls, you're probably gonna really like this, because it's, in my opinion, better than a cinnamon roll. It's got that same taste, but a different texture. And it's got that crunchiness on the top, and then this mysterious layer in the middle that just, I don't know, it's flavored so good. So I really like this. Never had one before, probably gonna have them again because I like it a lot. This is really sweet. And it goes good with coffee, as I said earlier. So it's a big win for me. And yeah, I like it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.